Hi, my name's Krishant and today we are going to be making a Christmas tree. So the holiday season has started and in Christmas we're going to be needing a Christmas tree. Let's make one today. So to make a Christmas tree, you need a piece of square paper and scissors. So first, we can take our piece of paper and then fold it in half like this. So then two corners are touching. And then make a crease. Okay, so now we are going to open it and then you should have like a crease and do it for the other diagonal like that, and it has to be exact. Now, there. So now we can unfold it and then take one edge and get it to the other edge and then make the crease, actually line it up. Here. That. Then open it up, and then we can do it for the other two edges. And then make a crease and open it up. Like that. Then you can flip it over and then push it down because it's like a tent and we don't want to go inside this tent because it's too small. And then you'll know if you pop it by spinning it around. Now we are going to be taking one corner as if we were going to fold it to the other corner and then stop halfway, crease it up like this, and then hold it to the other corner like this, and then we can get this other corner and hold it over there. Then hold it tight and then put it on the ground. Then you might see two folds like this. Ugh. And now we can crease them both. And then we can leave it because it's going to hold on like this. It's like a boat. Now, let's do the same thing for the other side. And again, we are going to be holding it like this. All the way to the center. And then we are going to be holding it to this side, this corner, and then we can put the side that we already did to that same corner too, and then we can put the last one like butter in a sandwich. Now, just do the crease. You're gonna have a smaller piece of square paper. Don't do the steps all over again because we have some other ones to make a Christmas tree. if you want to try that out, I haven't tried that out yet. It might be cool to try it out. For now, let's do the other steps. So your paper is going to be like this, and then the open sandwich part will be in front of you, and then you turn it over like this, and then you might see some flaps if you open it like this, and then you can open something up like that, and then you can take that, and I'm tapping it over here so then it's neat when I squash it like this. And we're going to be doing this step a few times. So like that. And then we can make a crease. And then a crease over here. Did you see, since I patted it, it looks like it's really neat over here on the top. Now we can fold this and then take one more, and then we can add it first. And then squash it. Now let's flip the paper over and then do it for the last two ones. Now pat it, open it and pat it. Okay, this one's a little harder. Why is this one being hard? This one's not coming out good. Phew! It's not neat, but at least it's there. Yay! It worked! Now let's see if the fourth one is harder, easier, or regular. Hey, this one's actually a little easier. Yay! Now we can crease it like this. And now we are going to be using the scissors again. So you can take your scissors and then on both sides you will have, like, since I'm using paper with two colors, you see that my green triangle is on top, right? So, and there's two blue triangles on the bottom. I want to cut the blue triangles off. So, I cut it like this. And then, there. Now you kind of see how it's a tree. Because it's like the triangle, this is the top, this is the bottom without a stem. That's really odd. And then these are like where the leaves are supposed to be. So now the Christmas tree isn't like straight on both sides. It has like some triangles if you see in pictures. So we are going to be making those triangles, but you can stop over here and then go a little forward. And then there's one more step. So I'm going to cut it like this and cut it like this. Like you see over here. And now I'm going to be doing it the same way on the other side. And you have to make sure you can make them any size. You can make the lines any size that you're cutting, but they shouldn't go over the crease. So, because the triangles don't go over the crease until all the way to the other side. So, I'm gonna finish cutting my line. Sometimes if it doesn't really work, it's best to use like the bottom side of your scissors. Like that, and this needs to be cut a bit more. Now comes the boring part. So, we are going to be taking one corner of the line like this, and then folding it like this. And now we have to do it for the same, we have to do it for the top one. And now, that's how we do it. And you can't do all of them at the same time, because if you do, then it won't work right. And your Christmas tree can't flap into a 3D and it will stay as a 2D Christmas tree. Like a flat one. Now you have to do the same thing for all of like the sides. And there's like this, you have to do the same thing 8 times. So now let me do it. Oh. That's why it's so boring. And I just learned how to do this Christmas tree yesterday. And this is already my 6th one since I really like it. And if you try different colors, then you can have like now comes the next boring step for the Christmas tree that you have to do. So this is the one where you have to like make it completely 3D. So on the back side, if you do it on the table, then this side's gonna be like this. And then it's gonna be harder to make it come over like this. So let me try it and see how quick I can do it. Yay! We're done! So this is the Christmas tree when it's finished, and there's one more way to use it. So you see the bottom, and then it's going to be like this. And then you can take your finger and then open it up and put it inside. Bye! See you in the next video.